Alright, so today we're going to start brazing up the front triangle. We got the seat tube here set up into the vise. Got our bottom bracket. This is all mitered up, where I cleaned it off with some mineral spirits to get all the gunk off of it and the ink, most of the ink off of it. It's got a little bit of a guideline here, so we make sure we line up the bottom bracket correctly. So let's get on to it. We're going to have to flux it on the inside of the tube and the bottom bracket, and then we'll have to flux the outside of it as well, also make sure everything's all perpendicular to the ground. We've got it set up in here already, checked up that it's perpendicular to the ground. We'll double check everything and see how it goes. Perfect. If I showed it before, but we are using the Harris Stay Silv flux. There's the torch. Oh, looking around going, where's my torch? Down here on the ground. This is the Benzomatic TS 8000 torch head on here with the matte gas. If I didn't say it before, and you see the other video, it is Harris Safety Silv 56. I was worried about that. The whole bottom bracket just slid down. Alright, a little change of plans, since as soon as I touched the silver to the joint, it slid the bottom bracket down the tube. We're going to braze it like this instead, and hopefully that'll work much better for us. Here we go. Right. It's really cool when you see the silver come in from the one side here and creep all the way into the bottom bracket. I actually can see it kind of gotten all the way around. Even actually when I put it in on this side, I could see it coming over and flowing to that side. So that's pretty cool. That's still pretty hot. I'm a dumbass. Right, seeing silver all around the joint, all around this inside, the outside of course, the inside has got silver in there as well. That's looking pretty good. Alright, so we got our bottom bracket and seat tube braced together. That's looking good, got it all cleaned up. Took a wire wheel to it and just made sure everything was good. It looks great. Got a silver inside the inside of here as well. So we'll have to clean that up a little bit. Some of it's a little bit into the threads right there. I don't think that's gonna matter, but probably gonna end up taking it to a bike shop to have it have them chase the threads anyways. Forgot to film it, but got my head tube cut down because it was ridiculously long. But that's okay. We got parts for the next build, maybe? Maybe. We'll see. I also left it just a little long. It's actually the lug will sit right about here. So, and then we got a vent hole drilled into it as well for once we start to brace together the sub-assemblies. So we're going to get the bike all set up into our vise here, and we're going to test it out. I'm going to see if I need to come up with an improvised jig or not. If the tubes will easily slide out of the lugs, we're going to do an improvised jig on it, because we don't want to have the same problem we just had with the seat tube where it slid out of, or slid down the tube on us when we were trying to braze. Don't want that happening. All this matters now. Alright, so I got the bike into the vise, so you can see going through here now. I just did all the measurements from my chart that I drew up before. Got it all written down. All the measurements are good. Just going through now and just making sure all my angles are good. All our angles are correct. And playing with this, doesn't feel like anything's loose. So I'm going to go ahead and flux it up, and I'm going to start brazing. Actually, I guess I get to take it all apart again and reassemble and figure it out again. Actually, I'm going to do some Sharpie lines on here as well. That way I can make sure I get the points of the lugs all set correctly. Looks like all my Sharpie marks there. I'm going to disassemble it again, flux it, reassemble, recheck everything, flux it some more, and then we get to braze. I've got it re-put together, back together. Got it all fluxed up on the inside of the joints. I haven't done the outsides just yet. I'm going to recheck all the measurements, make sure everything's back in alignment. She's all fluxed up, ready to rock. Pretty cool. Besides, I was doing it down here, I could actually come up here and actually see the silver popping up at the top of the seat tube inside of the lug, right where the ring is in there. So that's cool. That's great. Alright, I got the whole thing cleaned up now. I even sanded the tubes down just as I was cleaning up all the joints, making sure everything was good, getting all the flux out and all that. Any of the little silver blobs that came out, I filed down and sanded and got it all taken care of. So now, got our front triangle all brazed together, and we're ready to move on to the rear triangle, but we'll do that on the next video. Thanks for watching.